Fagulapu siyav de irshad to all of the honorable people. Teresa Allen suits that to all Chad Buckleshush. My name is Teresa Allen and I am from Muckleshoot. Today we are going to go over action sentences with animals in Buckleshush Utsid. In this slide we will focus on language words of actions. We are adding different animal names to each sentence. Here we go. Play. Cha'a tiskadzum. Cha'a tiskadzum. The squirrel would play. Cha'a tiskadzum. Cha'a tisquats. Cha'a tisquats. The chipmunk will play. Cha'a tisquats. Cha'a tiska'ak. Cha'a tiska'ak. The otter is playing. Cha'a tiska'ak. Cha'a tiskobite. Cha'a tiskobite. The dog played. Cha'a tiskobite. Ibash. Walk. Ibash. Shlu Ibash tistakale. Shlu Ibash tistakale. The horse will walk. Shlu Ibash tistakale. Tula Ibash tisquaguichud. Tula Ibash tisquaguichud. The elk went walking. Tula Ibash tisquaguichud. U Ibash tiskegwats. U Ibash tiskegwats. The deer would walk. U Ibash tiskegwats. La Ibash ti pish pish. La Ibash ti pish pish. The cat is walking. La Ibash ti pish pish. Talawel. Run. Talawel. Shlu talawel tistakale. Shlu talawel tistakale. The horse will run. Tu talawel tistakayo. Tu talawel tistakayo. The wolf ran. Tu talawel tistakayo. La talawel tip achab. La talawel tip achab. The bobcat is running. La talawel tip achab. U talawel tiswawat. U talawel tiswawat. The cougar would run. U talawel tiswawat. Fockwell. Tired? Fockwell. As Fockwell chafo shetwat. As Fockwell chafo shetwat. Are you tired, bear? As Fockwell chafo shetwat. Shu Fockwell tisht at kleb. Shu Fockwell tisht at kleb. The grizzly bear will be tired. Shu Fockwell tisht at kleb. Tu Fockwell tisht at kleb. Tu Fockwell tisht at kleb. The grizzly bear was tired. Tu Fockwell tisht at kleb. U Fockwell tisht chetwan. U Fockwell tisht chetwan. The bear would be tired. U Fockwell tisht chetwan. Shetwad is talking about bear in general, and if you want to be specific, it is talking about the black bear. Shtkleb is the language word for grizzly bear. Ashlid. Eat. Ashlid. O ashlid tiyachwala. O ashlid tiyachwala. The eagle is eating. O ashlid tiyachwala. Shlu ashlid ti cheb cheb. Shlu ashlid ti cheb cheb. The hawk will eat. Shu ashleti cheb cheb. Tu ashleti kaka. Tu ashleti kaka. The crow ate. Tu ashleti kaka. The blue jay would eat. U ashleti sky kai. E2. Sleep. E2. S E2 T peeps pish. S E2 T peeps pish. The kitten is sleeping. S E2 T peeps pish. 2 E2 T squeak quabite. 2 E2 T squeak quabite. The puppy slept. Tu e toot tea squeak bite. Shlu e toot tea peesh peesh. Shlu e toot tea peesh peesh. The cat will sleep. Shlu e toot tea peesh peesh. Ooh e toot tea squall bite. Ooh e toot tea squall bite. The dog would sleep. Ooh e toot tea squall bite. Yayus work. Yayus. O yayus teast ka. O yayus teast ka. The beaver is working. O yayus teast ka. Two yayus teast seven. Two yayus teast seven. The bee worked. Two yayus teast seven. U yayus tea bachlolet. U yayus tea bachlolet. The ant would work. U yayus tea bachlolet. Shlu yayus tea squaw cake. Shlu yayus tea squaw cake. The robin will work. U yayus tea squaw cake. Safwab jump. U safwab tea spiao. U safwab tea spiao. The coyote would jump. U safwab tea spiao. Shlu safwab teak audio. Shlu safwab teak audio. The rat will jump. U safwab teak audio. Tu safwab tea colt kolachech. Tu safwab tea colt kolachech. The orca jumped. Tu safwab tea colt kolachech. O safwab tea swak walk. O safwab tea swak walk. The frog is jumping. O safwab tea swak walk. Ahoy of Tesh. We are done. Hoy.